starts with desiring, with sharing, with offering the light of service to fellow men. This light has guided you through all the years of your stay at the University of Antigua. And this light will continue to stay lighted in your hearts and minds as long as you commit your life to God. Please pass the light shared with you by your teachers and by the university officials. With all the candles lighted,